Okay. Just a few seeds, yeah? Just a few. Nothing crazy. Crystal won't even notice. Oh yeah, sunflower seeds. Jackpot. Crunchy. Very crunchy. Super crunchy. Too crunchy? Nah, just right. Wait, was that a camera? Crystal, you watching again? I swear she's always recording. Every single peck. It's like Big Seed's watching me, man. Alright, back up to the feeder. Yep, up we go. Keep it casual, not suspicious, just a normal bird. Heh, nothing weird here, just fueling up, Crystal. Totally fine, totally calm. These seeds hit harder than espresso, I swear. Who needs caffeine when you got this mix? Oh no, she's still recording. Recording beep plus zoom sound. Woodpecker. Alright folks, if you're watching, we only need 20 more subscribers before Crystal goes live. Help her out before I peck a hole in the camera lens. Okay, I'm out of here. Gotta go. Too many seeds, too much energy. Next time, I'm bringing a disguise. Maybe a squirrel costume.